Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Today I will talk about the US dollar first of all because earlier today the US data came in worse than expected, and it has forced the US dollar to depreciate versus its rivals. So please take a look here. PPI. Also, please, guys, confirm into the chat that you can hear me, that everything is okay, right? And before we'll start. So earlier today we had the PPI worse than expected, core PPI worse than expected, core retail sales worse than expected, capacity utilization rate worse than expected, industrial production worse than expected. So hi man, Ibrahim, hi, how are you? It's Ali. Hello, hi, how are you guys? So worse than expected US data, guys. So that's why personally I will it's okay. Okay, hello. Yeah, we can hear you. Good voice. Okay, Mina. Okay, guys. So yes, I can hear you. Okay. Thank you, guys. So let's take a look and let's start. And if you have questions, guys, please type the questions into the chat, and personally I will try to answer to your questions. That's why I'm here. It's Ali. Miss your voice. Why? Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, last week I've had some technical problems. Also, but right now let's hope that we can take a look. Actually, personally, I want to take a look on all markets, and I will look for potential setups and trades here live for you guys, actually for the VIP group, or maybe I will share them into the free group as well. Okay, so dollar index. Okay, dollar index, it has failed, or actually, yeah, I've talked about the dollar index in the early morning in that market breakdown video, and I've said that maybe personally I would like the dollar index to come back, maybe to retest the former lows, potential demand zones, but yeah, unfortunately, before it will develop a larger growth, before it will turn to the upside, before we'll maybe before it will bring us maybe potential new US dollar longs. But right now, unfortunately, and as you can see here, it has ignored the former low, it has ignored here the former low, only because yeah, as I've said, worse than expected US data earlier today. And yeah, guys, don't forget to read the disclaimer. Yeah, I forgot about the disclaimer. As you already know, personally, I'm presenting this disclaimer before all my videos, before my live sessions. It's important, guys, to understand that that trading, it's risky. Past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. So yeah, you should read the disclaimer. Okay, so let's take a look. And let's see if we can still identify potential US dollar shorts, or because right now I don't see right now potential demand zone, support zone. Let's take a look on 4-hour. Yeah, former low here. Yeah, as potential downside obstacle, but it remains to see how it will react when the price will approach and reach maybe 101.2029 S1 here. But right now, no, I don't want to buy the USD, the US dollar. I'll wait to see how the dollar index will react here, and maybe retest, and the bullish pattern here in this support zone could signal a potential rebound. But right now, no, I don't want to do anything here on the US dollar. I will take a look on the US dollar pairs. Okay, so economic data later, also the business inventories. And also tomorrow, unemployment claims, building permits, housing starts. Fed manufacturing index. So right now, guys, the USD, the US dollar needs strong support from the US economy, okay? Because yeah, unfortunately, worse than expected data. Also today, high impact events forced the dollar index to drop. And let's take a look. The US dollar depreciated. Yeah. US dollar depreciated, and right now yeah, I will delete this this pitchfork. And after this strong rally here, right now challenges 1.0867, okay, and I believe that taking out this resistance could bring us maybe potential long opportunities. Yeah, but right now, personally, I'll wait. Okay. Personally, I'll wait because a new false breakout could signal potential sell-off. Let's take a look here. We had a supply zone here, but right now the price jumped above it, closed it above 1.0867. But if it stays here, if it consolidates above 1.0867, then I will look for longs, or a potential sell-off towards this demand zone here could bring us long opportunities. Yeah, this could be my buying zone. This could be my buying zone here in Euro US dollar. Okay. Let's take a look on British pound US dollar. Yeah, strong rally now. Right now I'll wait also here for a temporary. Actually, let's take a look here. So it has reached the supply zone here, but I need confirmation. Let's take a look on lower time frames. Maybe we can catch something on lower time frames. Something like a scalping position, maybe. But yeah, probably. Yeah. Also here on British pound versus the US dollar, we could have a sell-off, a retreat, a correction after this strong rally. As I've said, it has reached this supply zone here. Okay, former highs as potential resistance levels, a supply zone, and I will keep an eye here on that level. Unfortunately, yeah, I have this this demand zone here. And personally, I would have liked the price after this breakdown here to come back to retest here and then to drop. Okay, maybe this would have been my confirmation. Right now in the short term, yeah, it seems that the price drops. Yeah, it could approach and reach the medium line here after retesting here. Yeah, maybe we missed something here earlier when the price retested here, but right now it's too late to go short in the short term. I will look maybe for potential longs after this sell-off will be over. Italy, we all know everything about disclaimer and capital and risk management, but it's any cause we burn but in any case we burn our money and destroy our own account. Yeah. This is trading. Trading, it's risky, guys. Yeah, trading, it's risky. So right now it has found support here. Now maybe I will look only for potential longs after temporary retreats. Maybe if the price will approach and reach these levels, or if the price will come back to retest maybe 1.2435 or something, or this zone here, this area, this block 1.2419. Maybe I will still look also for shorts, but only on lower time frames. Yeah. if the price will rebound to retest here, then maybe I will to look for potential shorts on lower time frames here to catch a potential retreat. Yeah, yesterday I will talk about yeah, US dollar Japanese yen, massive drop. No, I don't have something really good right now. Yeah, it has reached something on 1 hour, but I told you guys that the dollar index remains under strong pressure. Maybe I would have liked the price maybe to approach and reach maybe this this zone here. I will keep an eye on this zone here as well. If it reaches this zone, maybe I will look for potential longs on Euro Japanese yen. Yesterday I've had a really quick scalping position on New Zealand dollar US dollar. I don't know if you followed that trade, or if you traded the New Zealand dollar US dollar. Yeah, it was a really quick trade on New Zealand dollar US dollar. Really quick trade on New Zealand dollar US dollar. So here USD Japanese yen, only here I will look for longs here, okay, or I will look for potential shorts and selling opportunities if the price comes back here, and then something like this, okay. As you already know, lately I'm using this indicator, demand zones, supply zones, but also I'm not trading only based on this concept, on this indicator. I'm using a lot of tools and also price action, confirmation. I need confirmation, also pitchfork, yeah, pivot points. Also maybe Williams percent pair, or stochastic, or I don't know, RSI marked. Yeah, so I'm using a lot of tools. Maybe I will have time during this year to record a trading course on how to use confluence trading, guys. Because personally, I don't believe that in only one strategy or in one concept. Yeah, that's why I'm using confluence trading strategy. Yeah. So no, I don't have something really good here. USD CAD. If you have questions, guys, please tell me the market that you're looking at, time frame, if you're a bull, if you're a bear, levels or something. No, USD CAD. No, I don't like this sideways movement. No. US dollar Swiss franc. Massive drop. Massive drop. Massive drop only because the dollar index crashed. After this strong sell-off, maybe I will try to catch a potential rebound, but right now I don't have an opportunity or a buying signal, so I'll wait. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. 1 hour, guys. So yeah, yesterday I was short here on this market on lower time frames. 0.38% profit on my real account. So right now also here New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Maybe I'll wait for a retreat, for a temporary drop, maybe towards this zone, towards R2. Yeah, it has reached this this former high, but it seems that the price invalidated maybe a potential. Please, GBP Japanese yen, tell what we can expect. I will talk about Japanese yen. I will talk about cryptocurrencies, US equities. So yeah, we had maybe something here as a supply zone, supply area, but right now the price jumped and closed here above this this key level 0.6513. Yeah, maybe I'll wait for a retreat, because right now, no, I don't want to sell it. Only if I'll have something like a strong strong, yeah, here on 5 minutes it has reached a demand zone, but I would like to see a larger or a broader retreat. Please, Dow Jones, Omer. Yeah, as I've said, I will talk about the US equities. Is there what is there two Ethereum signals short? I don't know. Freeman, I'm not managing the crypto channels. I'm not sending crypto trades. So I don't know. Yeah. One moment, guys. So yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I will talk about Dow Jones. Love you, bro. Yeah. Thanks for your message. Yeah, from Vegas. Yeah, okay. So no, I don't have. Let's move on, because I don't have anything good, and I really want to place a trade here live. For the VIP members, for the free members. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but do we have something here? Let's take a look. 4 hour. Only major supply here. If you'll if I'll use this indicator here on 30 minutes demand zone. Yeah, maybe I'll look only for longs, for USD shorts. Okay. USD shorts. USD, Singapore dollar. I will talk about gold, silver, US oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum, guys. Yeah. US 30, so the Dow Jones, US 100, US 500. I will be live here for more than 1 hour, and I hope that maybe about the Japanese yen, and then I really hope that I will identify a good setup here. Setup. No. Okay. That's it. I don't have something on the US dollar right now. Yeah, a rebound on the dollar index. I told please, Japanese, what we can expect. Italy. Can you please be patient? As I've said, I will talk about the Japanese yen. I cannot talk about all markets in 1 minute. If you'll be patient, I will take a look on that market as well. Yeah, gold. Yeah, surprisingly or not, worse than expected US data, and right now gold dropped after reaching this supply zone, supply area. Also, you saw that the dollar index rebounded a little here. So you're a chart superhero. Okay, thank you. No, I'm not a superhero. But yeah, I'm in the green this year. Maybe also here in gold. I'll wait for retreats, maybe for a retreat towards this zone before I will look for potential longs, or if the price will come back maybe to retest here, I will look for potential shorts. But I have demand zones, and yeah, that's why it's risky to sell it, even if the price reached the supply zone. Yeah. Personally, I was looking at something earlier today on here in silver, okay, before the US data here, okay. Yeah, right now sharp movements in both directions, and I don't know if I want to sell it here, but let's invite more members. Okay, let's invite more members. Okay. It's Ali. No, I'm not dreaming about supply and demand or something. No. Okay, so silver. Now, I don't have something really good here. Unfortunately, we had this false breakdown here, so maybe I would like the price to drop, to retest, and then to drop. Okay. US oil. US oil. I've talked about US oil in my in the last webinars, also here, and unfortunately, yeah, I've made a mistake because I've talked about longs, upside continuation, new buying opportunities here. After retesting the medium line and the price, please take a look here. Yeah, right now it has ignored this this pivot, 81.44, and most likely it will hit the upper medium line. And when the price reaches the upper medium line, maybe I will look for potential shorts because also I have 82.70 here. A strong imbalance here. Supply zone, okay, but only when the price reaches here, this zone. Okay, maybe I will have a potential short opportunity when the price reaches here. Okay, if I'll have a bearish pattern confirmation, then boom. Okay, I will keep an eye, and I will come back with US oil because personally I don't like to place a sell limit. Okay, I don't know, maybe here or here or here with a stop loss here, and if the price reaches it and if it drops, yeah, it would be really good, but no, I don't like to place a sell limit because I don't know, a lot of things could happen, right? And the price could make a very breakout here to test retest, then or to maybe to invalidate this supply zone and to extend its growth, and then I will lose on that potential trade. So that's why I'll wait for the price to hit it, maybe to retest it, to print or to develop a bearish pattern before it will turn to the downside. Okay. Okay, US dollar, gold, silver. Yeah. So yen basket, and then I will talk about US equities and cryptocurrencies. Yen basket. I don't know. I talked about. Yeah, I've talked about the Japanese yen. Sorry, I've talked about the Japanese yen basket in my daily video analysis. Okay, unfortunately, it has failed to hit these demand zones. It has rebounded. Yeah, and please take a look here. After this massive drop, personally, I've talked about a rebound today in that video. I sent this message a couple of minutes ago, and I respect about what you are doing. I'm a VIP member, but it's very respectful to teach us your knowledge about market. Yeah, okay. Italy, I will talk about British pound versus Japanese yen in 1 minute. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your patience. So, Japanese yen basket. Yeah, a strong imbalance here. Okay. Yeah, it has reached this imbalance, and it has rebounded. Yeah, a big miss here. Because I've talked about Japanese yen longs after the BOJ. The Bank of Japan decided to keep its monetary policy unchanged today, and so right now maybe I will look for Japanese yen shorts around this supply zone. So let's take a look. Italy, asking me about British pound, Japanese yen, but I don't know if I'll have yeah, I don't know if I'll have something like yeah, only a key level here, 158.50. And today I've talked about yeah, unfortunately it has failed to hit this supply, and then boom. Okay, so that's why yeah, this indicator helps a lot, but there are moments when maybe the price fails to to reach those demand and supply areas and zones, and then boom, okay, it moves in the opposite direction. And here it has reached 161.24, only false breakout, and then sell off only because we had that that rebound on the end basket. So after this massive sell-off, I will look for potential longs on lower time frames. But right now, I want the price to show me something. Okay, I don't have a setup right now. I don't want to buy it if I don't have a setup. I'll wait maybe to hit 158.50. Because everyone to catch a potential rally and upside movement. Hello, sir. Hi, how are you? Yeah, let's take a look on other Euro Japanese yen. Maybe here I will look for potential longs. If the price will come back down, or yeah, also from here, strong imbalance here, but I believe that we had this strong imbalance here around the BOJ, Bank of Japan. But yeah, about the Japanese yen, I'm looking for Japanese yen shorts, okay, for potential longs on the Japanese yen pairs. Massive sell-off also here. Yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen reached this zone, and I'm looking for something on lower time frames for confirmation, because yeah, it has reached that zone, that block, and it has rebounded, okay, and but this could still be only a reaction, okay, temporary reaction. That's why I need confirmation before maybe this will be the market. Maybe this could be Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe I will try to catch a potential leg higher here on this market. So here on 1 hour, a pin bar. Let's see if the pin bar will be confirmed, or I would like the price maybe to print a strong bullish candle, or if it drops, I want the price to stay maybe above 95.37 low, maybe to retest to print something here, a bullish pattern, and then to tend to the upside. Maybe this will be the scenario. Most likely the price will come back down, and then I will, yeah, probably. So yeah, potential trades on US oil, a potential short, potential Japanese yen short as well, maybe on this market. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. I would like the price maybe to approach and reach maybe this zone, this area. Yeah, maybe I would like the price to approach and reach this zone, this area, before I will look for potential longs. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, also here. So I'll wait for the yen basket also to signal a potential new sell-off. Okay, because it could still approach and reach this zone, and that's why I will keep an eye on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen for a potential new leg higher. Okay, so I've shared my opinion about British pound, Japanese yen. I'm looking for potential longs, but right now, as long as it stays below the downtrend line, I don't want to buy it. I'll wait to reach this level, or maybe to approach and reach this zone before turning to the upside. The US 30. Someone asked me about the Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Let's take a look. Waiting to reach on the blue zone. Yeah. I don't know if the price Italy. I don't know if the price will hit that demand zone. Depreciation will continue, I think. Yeah. So I don't know if, but yeah, I would like the price to hit those blocks, okay, or demand zones, or the demand zone on British pound, Japanese yen, but it remains to see. Or maybe we'll have a sooner upwards movement or leg higher rally. US 30, so the Dow Jones. So Dow Jones crashed as the DXY rebounded. And right now, yeah, pin bar here. Gold and silver. But maybe I would like to see something like this before a deeper drop or something on gold. So about US 30. US 13. Yeah, we have maybe an immediate resistance area and zone here. But maybe I would like the price to come back towards this zone before going down. Yeah, towards this zone. We are in a supply zone right now as well, but it could drop only if the dollar index will rebound. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Value breakout here could signal potential downside movement, downside continuation. Let's take a look on this. Could be a flag, a rebound on US 30, guys. Key level as resistance. Yeah, probably I will look for a potential short, but maybe I would like the price to drop, to retest, and then to drop, maybe on US 30. So I'll keep an eye on US 30. US 30, US oil, and Canadian dollar, Japanese yen for potential trades and setups. Whoa, US 100, strong rally on USD's depreciation and sell off, and only here maybe I will look for potential shorts. Please take a look here, a strong imbalance here. If you use this the liquidity swap or the smart money concept, so I'm looking for potential shorts only here around this zone, this area, around this imbalance. But I've told you that I don't want to place limit orders, pending orders, because yeah, please take a look. 1, 2, 3 test, retest of the upper medium line. I think it will be bearish. What? US 30? Okay. But staying near the upper medium line may signal potential breakout and further growth towards that zone in US 100. US 500. Also supply zone. Let's take a look. We had an imbalance here as well. Yeah, probably I will look for potential US equities shorts, selling opportunities, and I will look for potential setups. Yeah. Bitcoin 4 hour. 21,473 as resistance, static resistance. It has developed a potential rising wedge, a potential bearish pattern, but right now, yeah, after this amazing rally, retreat or correction, it could be natural, but staying here near that resistance may signal an imminent upside breakout and further growth and upside continuation. Okay, towards maybe towards this zone. Okay, because here we have a demand zone. Okay, a block here. Also, we have personally I have 20,634 as former low, as support. Okay, as key level. Okay, reaching only this level and turning to the upside. Yeah, could still signal potential for the growth and That's why test, retest, and the new lower low maybe, or retest and the new lower low could signal a potential downside movement here in Bitcoin. But right now I'll wait to see how Bitcoin will react. Ethereum, same movement here. Maybe potential sell-off and retreat after reaching probably this zone, this block here. This zone, supply zone on Ethereum. So after but only if the price of Bitcoin will drop, then the altcoins will drop as well, and the price of Ethereum could turn to the downside as well, but maybe only after reaching that zone, that area. Ripple, yeah, it has reached the supply zone. Accumulation, consolidation, maybe right above the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork here. Please take a look. So a pin bar, okay, valid breakout above the immediate downtrend line. Accumulation, consolidation here above the medium line, breakout, further growth, retreat after reaching the upper medium line, breakout, and here I believe that's on Ripple, guys. Of course, if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, a new higher high, and invalidating that supply zone, a new higher high, or taking out that supply zone, or here test, retest, could bring us something, could signal a potential upside continuation on Ripple. Yeah, test, retest, false breakdown, a new higher high, boom, on Ripple. Litecoin versus the US dollar, potential accumulation and consolidation maybe after its strong growth. But it remains to see how the price of Bitcoin will react. I've told you, further growth could signal that the altcoins will increase as well in the short term, or a potential. Lighthead, can you show us your settings for Pitchfork? What settings? If you're interested in Pitchfork, and if you want to understand maybe how to use it or how to draw it, you should visit the YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, Learn to Trade YouTube channel, and personally I've uploaded several tutorials on talking about Pitchfork and how to use it. I like that, break resistance, then test and fly. Yeah, I believe that on Ripple. Yeah. US oil. So US oil, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and US 30 maybe as potential trades. So if you are interested in Pitchfork, you can watch those tutorials, and if you have questions, you can come back maybe tomorrow or on Friday, because I will be and I will go live tomorrow or on Friday, or maybe also tomorrow and on Friday. Sorry about my chair. So I'll wait for confirmation on those markets. So US equities, Japanese yen, and US equities, Japanese yen, and US oil. Okay, thank you guys. for being here. I was live for almost 1 hour. Right now, no, I don't have a really good setup. I'm waiting for the price to confirm. Yeah, a strong sell-off on US 30 after retesting that zone. But I have support here, 33,866, and on lower time frames, a demand zone. Invalidating or taking out the demand zone, then coming back maybe to retest could bring us something. Okay. Whoa. What a strong sell-off. Yeah, maybe probably I've made a mistake, but I'll wait to see, because this breakdown could still be invalidated. Okay, that's why I would like the price to come back to retest before dropping deeper. Only because here on the US 100, the price is still far below the supply zone. Yeah, right now reaction after reaching the upper medium line at the dynamic resistance. I will come back with more trades and high probability setups maybe later or tomorrow morning, guys, because right now I don't have maybe something like a high probability trade. And okay, thank you guys. See you tomorrow or on Friday, and I will come back with my trades on Japanese yen, on US equities, and maybe US oil, and why not US dollar, gold, silver. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.